Lumens, your success, our focus.
This video will show you how to remotely upgrade LC200 Media Processor firmware using Lumens Deployment Tool. It's easy to upgrade your LC200 units firmware over the network. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Let's start by looking at the basic equipment you need. All you need is a Lumens LC200 connected to your local area network, and the Lumens Deployment Tool software, ready to be installed on a Windows 10 PC. Go to the Download section on the Lumens website. Search Lumens Deployment Tool, and download the installation file. Step 2. Install the software on your PC. Click the installation file of Lumens Deployment Tool, follow the instructions to install the software. Open the application. Type in the default username and password, then click Login. By default, both the username and password are admin. Step 3. Now the application is installed, let's start the firmware upgrade. First, select the LC200 you would like to update. Go to the Controls drop-down menu, select the Upgrade Master Firmware. Choose the firmware file on your computer, then click Open. When the status icon changes to the updating symbol, it means the LC200 start the firmware upgrade. Step 4. Verify the firmware upgrade status. After the firmware upgrade process has finished, the status icon will change back to Power On. The new version of the firmware version will be displayed. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.